Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the AquaLung Men's 7mm Dive Wetsuit. So this was originally designed to be a school suit, which means that it's double tough and you can use it constantly and it's not going to wear out. So very, very tough suit. 7mm means that it's great for colder waters. It's going to keep you nice and warm, but it's still flexible. You can still move around whilst you're in this suit despite it being chunky 7mm. So taking a closer look, if we start up around the neck, so around the neck you just have a rolled neoprene seal. So the lining just sort of rolls over the sort of raw cut neoprene. There's nothing fancy on the inside, it's just a normal lining, but this just means that it's much more comfortable and soft against your neck, so it's not going to rub against your neck. Moving down to the shoulder pads, so we have a little bit of detailing on here. This just protects that from your shoulder strap. It's not going to rub quite so much, and it adds a little bit of grip. But moving down the suit underneath to the flanks is where you're going to see a lot of the grip coming from. So this detailing all on this panel that continues underneath your arm. There are no seams underneath your armpit, but this detailing is going to add a lot of grip and a lot of resilience to sort of twisting and turning, so your BCD is going to stay in position. Moving down the arms, down to the cuff, we have a glide skin sort of rolled seal on that. So this is very effective at sealing against your skin. It traps water and stops it from flushing in and out of the suit. If less water is flushing around, that's going to keep you nice and warm. So that does a very good job. Moving down the suit, as you can see, we have big open panels because as soon as you have stitching, that's what reduces the flexibility of a suit. So big open panels means that it's nice and flexible, makes it really easy to get in and out of, but also gives you plenty of movement. Moving down to the hip, so we have a little clip on there which is stitched onto the suit. So this is for a hood. If you buy an extra hood, if it's got a little D-ring, which a lot of them do nowadays, you can clip that off onto that, which means that whilst you're kitting up, you can just clip it off onto that. You can't forget it. And after the dive, you can just take your hood off, clip it off onto that, sort out the rest of your gear, and you don't have to hold onto the hood. It's already attached to you. Moving down to the knees, so we have reinforced knee pads. So this is abrasion resistant material, nice and tough, especially on the knees where the wetsuits do tend to wear out. This material is just going to elongate the life of the suit because it's just abrasion resistant. Moving down to the ankle cuffs, again, rolled glide skin material, same as your wrist cuff. So this is effective at sealing water, stopping it from flushing in and out of the suit. So turning the suit around, and now we can see up at the top we have a Velcro neck closure. So grab hold of that orange tab and just pull on that. You've got a little section of Velcro and the opposite on here, so you can really adjust exactly how tight it is around your neck, making sure it's nice and comfortable. Underneath that, you have a metal YKK zipper, nice long leash on top of that. So grab hold of that, and you can get in and out of the suit all by yourself single-handed. Underneath the zipper, you have a neoprene flush guard. So instead of the water just flushing straight through that zipper and getting straight to you, this slows it down so it really takes its time before it actually gets to you, gives it a chance to warm up before it gets to you. Also means that water isn't going to be flushing out and taking all the heat away with it. On the inside, nothing too fancy, just a traditional lining inside of that. And then getting back into the suit is nice and easy. You've got this little orange tab at the bottom to pull against, so grab hold of that. With the other hand, use this nice long leash, pull that up. That gets you back into the suit, and then a quick Velcro closure so that seals you in. So very quick and easy to get in all by yourself. And then the back is just very simple design, nothing too fancy, mirrors the front design of the suit. So all in all, a fantastic 7mm wetsuit. It's going to keep you nice and warm even in colder waters. This is the AquaLung Dive Men's 7mm Wetsuit. Thanks for watching and safe diving.